Krishnarajapuram station on the KSR Bengaluru Chennai route, an important station. We are in platform number 4, and that is the end from KSR Bengaluru and cantonment, and that's the entry gate 2 which faces the bridge. KSR Bengaluru Kanyakumari special, arriving in platform number 2. Krishnarajapuram station is gateway to the eastern and southeastern suburbs of Bangalore, and over the year it has become very important, and a lot of people use this station to alight in both the trains because of saving of time between KR Puram and the Bangalore cantonment or the city junction. Most of the trains, in fact all the train stops except the Shatabdis and some of the super fast trains that go via the bypass. Kanyakumari Express has got a very long history. Started as KSR Bengaluru Cochin Harbour Island Express. Then later it was extended up to Thiruvananthapuram when it was broad gauged, and then subsequently up to Kanyakumari. And it has the reputation of being the slowest express train plying on this route, just averaging about 50 kilometers, and that's pathetic. Krishnarajapuram station has got 4 platforms. Platform number 1 and 2 are for trains going towards Jollarpet and Chennai, and Jollarpet and then Salem. The platform number 3 and 4 are for trains towards Bangalore cantonment, Yeshwantapur, Bangalore city, that is KSR Bengaluru, and Mysore. The station has got 2 entrances. The entrance 1 is the first entrance with which the station was designed, and it is located in the town of Krishnarajapuram, and the gate 2 or the entrance 2 is located on the National Highway 4 and just before the or just under the cable bridge, which is built as a overbridge. Captured late March, in fact on 26th March, just before the second wave of COVID swept over our country. But we all thought at this point of time that we have come over this COVID. This is the towards Jollarpet in Chennai, and this is where the direction from where the next train, the Lalbagh special, COVID special, would come in from Chennai. Arrival at KSR around 9:15, and it will be expected here any time now. On time today. Lalbagh Express is a crack express from Chennai, covering the distance of 360 kilometers in about 6 hours. Full platform view. All the platforms are full-length platform to accommodate 24 coaches trains. There we can see the headlights of the oncoming Lalbagh Express towards KSR Bengaluru.
Lalbagh Express.
And typically
Chennai Central, KSR.
WAP7 from either Krishnarajapuram or Rayapuram sheds,
Krishnajipuram.
and let's see what it comes up with. Rarely, sometimes it is getting hauled by a WAP4 as well, and that will be from typically either an off-link or from Rayapuram. Indeed, today it is a WAP7 from Krishnarajapuram depot. Lalbagh Express got its LSP coaches just probably 6 months before the COVID struck the world. Spanking new blue colored coaches with advertisements in some coaches, and this train has a hot buffet car, and that will be interesting to see what the hot buffet car is, how is it configured. Let's wait for the hot buffet car to come in. I think there it is. Yes, it is the hot buffet car.
Country car. Very nice.
This train has 2 air-conditioned chair cars, and the rest of them are typical second non-air-conditioned chair car, and there are general compartments as well. Very popular train. Leaves KSR Bengaluru early in the morning 6:30, goes to Chennai around 12:30, and then the return direction, it leaves at 3:45 and comes here 3:15 and comes here at 9:15. Let's have a look at the hot buffet car, and very interesting, it has accommodation and sleeping berths for the TTRs and some of the staff.
Hot buffet
There
car.
you can see people sitting there, and this is the hot buffet car section
TTR places.
where cooking and distribution take place. Stainless steel counters for serving food, making, and people can buy food here, as you can see, and that's the end of the hot buffet car. You get plenty of stuff on this train. You get idli, vada, samosa, dosa, omelette, bread toast, quite a bit of variety and tasty food as well. The train leaving now is actually, the color in this one suggests an Humsafar hot buffet car, but previously they used to have a dilapidated country car. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a close look at the hot buffet car, and the next would be a daytime rail fanning at KJM, and that too a big one. Keep watching for that. Thank you very much once again. Subscribe to my channel for quick updates on uploads. Thank you. Have a great day.